Hi, I'm Ainsley Chapman and I'm the Executive Director of Evangel Home Mission, and I want to tell you a little bit about what we're doing during the COVID-19 crisis. Evangel Home Mission has been there for people who've needed us since 1913. We have been there during the biggest crises of the 20th century. This includes 2 world wars, the Great Depression, and recession. And today in 2020, we've already been there for people during Toronto's housing crisis, and now we are a critical support to the community during this unprecedented pandemic. The ongoing public health crisis has created significant challenges for EHM. We're an essential service provider trying to help people who are experiencing homelessness, poverty, and mental illness. We are more than just food or clothing or showers. We build community and we build a sense of self and help connect people to each other. And trying to do this in a world full of physical distancing has been challenging. Our drop-in center would typically be filled every day with people coming for food, for basic necessities, one-on-one supports, weekly group programs. It's a vibrant, energetic, high-energy environment where people experience a lot of laughter, a lot of conversation, a lot of joy, on top of all of the basic supports that we've been providing them as well. Unfortunately, the health and safety directives make this model of ministry unfeasible. Many individuals living with homelessness are at higher risk and are the most likely to have complications if they get sick with COVID-19. Creating a safe environment has required EHM to rethink its drop-in programming and to find new ways to help meet the basic needs of clients. At the same time, our residence is home to 110 people, many of whom require a high level of support from our team. Many residents live with complex health issues and are also very vulnerable to infection. Supporting our residents to shelter in place safely has been an ongoing priority and concern. Just as the pandemic has impacted and changed how churches and your ministries function, so has the pandemic affected EHM. And every day, we've had to work out new solutions. We're really proud of what we've been able to accomplish by changing our services to keep them safe for everybody involved. We're offering takeaway meals 4 days a week. So these are takeaway meals to clients who use the drop-in every day. We've also been able to deliver hot meals to tenants in the EHM residence and deliver hot meals to the tenants of Portland Place, which is another really important Presbyterian ministry a block away from us. We've been offering spiritual care in our driveway using physical distancing. We've been able to answer questions and get clients connected to other resources in the community, including food banks and other types of supports. We've been calling tenants every day to find out how they've been doing. Do they need supports? How are they for food? How are they feeling in terms of, are they sick? We've been referring tenants to community resources and to health supports in the community, and just making sure that we're caring for the folks who don't have anyone else to care for them. The reality of the pandemic is every day looks different and we don't know what's going to come. We're in constant communication with the City of Toronto. We're speaking to our community partners and local service agencies to try and find out what's happening in the community, what people need, how we can adjust. We're also learning every day more about the virus and what we need to be able to do to protect staff and clients and keep everyone safe. This wouldn't be possible without you, our faith-based community. And the past several weeks have been incredibly difficult and at times utterly heartbreaking. And staff and management heavily feel the burden of wanting to do more, of worrying about how our drop-in guests and residents will survive these times, and seeing the challenges that people face. Your prayers and messages of encouragement bring such comfort to us at EHM, and we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And your financial gifts has allowed us to purchase the health and safety equipment, the supplies, the take-out containers, and then all of the resources that we're able to provide to keep our services going. Please continue to gift us with your prayers, messages of hope, financial contributions, and Loblaws gift cards. But most importantly, please stay safe. We've had many inquiries from donors and volunteers asking to bring items to help EHM get through the pandemic. It's safest for everyone for EHM to work with our suppliers for now. Visit our website, follow us on Facebook, and we'll post updates weekly. And I want to thank you. While it's been our hands and feet delivering the services, it's your generosity and goodwill that fuel it. So stay safe and be well.